Is that the new one or the old one?
I believe it's the newer model. It's a newer model. It's not the old school ones.
Okay. I have one, and I'll fucking throw it out the window. Screw a second.
The Wave 199, the high 5 wave.
Microphones. What does he have on there? Do you know how big it is or what the size is?
Say again, what's the size on what?
He's got a toroid on your cable, right, and it's shrink wrapped?
Oh, no. He just started doing that. All that shrink wrap shit and those ferrites and all that other shit, he just started doing that recently. Remember, I had this radio a couple of years already now. I mean, I had the radio before he did any work to it. But, he just got his hands on it, remember, recently. Not too long ago, a couple of years. I want to say 3 years, if that. 2 years. But he just started doing all that new shit, like the shrink wrap, because he was having problems with the microphones. That's what it was. He was having problems with the microphones. The insides were getting loose. The connectors inside, off the foil or the four prong inside, the wires were getting loose. I guess because of the ferrite, the shoe was too heavy, so that's when he started putting everything together. Now he wraps everything up together, whereas it doesn't swing, it doesn't hang as much.
Right. And you're still on the electric voice?
Negatory, I switched it over. Now I switched it over.
Okay, I can tell. That sounds good too, bro. They both sound excellent. I'm a D104 fan, and I'm on one right now. I like the D104, bro.
Yeah, Roger 4, I hear that, man. This is the rack right here now. Now let me hold on. Go back. Go here. What if I bring up the bass right there? Is that too punchy? Is that too basic break?
No, I like bass. You sound great. I don't want you to start messing with all your settings because I'm telling you shit. You sound great no matter what. Either mic, it's fine.
Yeah, 10-4. I've heard a few gates already. My buddy, Mr. Lee, sent me a bunch. I got to hear myself on 9s when I just did some upgrades to it. So it doesn't sound so bad. I'm just messing around, man. I'm messing around, I'm getting my audio down tight, and then I gotta get my power situation situated there, break.
I'll text you. Well, I'm pretty sure you have it already, but I'll text you. I don't want to, people need to learn.
It's 10-4.